to this special celebration of Teachers' Day. Today we are gathered to honor the incredible dedication, patience and love of our teachers. To express our gratitude to all the teachers, our teachers have prepared a Bharatanatyam performance that beautifully captures the challenges and joys of being a teacher. This performance is a tribute to all the teachers on behalf of Alvin Memorial Public School. Let us now immerse ourselves in this beautiful art form and reflect on the sacrifices and dedication of our beloved teachers. Your influence goes beyond grades. You're shaping lifelong learners. Embrace each day with enthusiasm. You're planting seeds for a brighter future.
என் பிழைகளை